Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Peugeot 5008 1.6 PureTech GT Line Premium. This vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in pearlescent white paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 19-inch Washington-style alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against a pearlescent white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of this vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that this vehicle does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers, and if those rear seats are down, you are also able to carry a large suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the Marshall Imola leather and cloth upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and located on your steering column you can find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Moving to your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 8,585 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Peugeot infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible, along with Apple Carplay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You have front heated seats. This has been a presentation on a Peugeot 5008 1.6 PureTech GT Line Premium that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.